हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस डिक्टेशन में मैं आपको वर्ड्स डिक्टेट कर रहा हूँ, सिलेक्टेड वर्ड्स जो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नंबर 75 से लेकर 86 तक हैं सर कैलाश चंद्रा मैगज़ीन से। आप इनकी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं और जिसकी आउटलाइन आपको ना आती हो वो आप रिस्पेक्टिव ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में से देख लीजिएगा। थैंक यू। प्लीज़ गेट रेडी फॉर वर्ड्स फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 75 to 78. 5 seconds. Start. Admirer, counts, ircon, compliments, extremely, maintenance, minerals, confessions, fence, agonizing, deferred, dividend, resorted, instrument, resource, generation, external, mobilization, workshops, renewal, computerization, clients, competing, commercial, deficient, costlier, thrust, dynamic, competitive, infrastructure, productivity, depressed, potential, determinants, attractive, pitheads, segments, density, investment, stimulate, productive, undivided, subscription, commencing, slab, eligible, subscriber, institutions, substantial, underwriter, incentives, debentures, redemption, alternatively, discriminating, disadvantage, impetus, exemption, modified, successive, operations, voluntary, discover, unaccounted, declaring, furnishes, declarant, partially, withdrawn, conspicuous, impound, respectively, escalation, eroded, steeply, vegetables, flourishing, cauliflower, fleece, back marketing, black marketing, meager, worst, toiling, piecemeal, stabilization, marketers, fiscal, indication, integrated, stressed, necessity, aspiring, meager, integrate, discontent, sousing, anomaly, higher standard, technical education, lagging, applicants, syllabus, uniformity, concurrent. Stop. Please get ready for words from exercise 79 to 82. 5 seconds. Start. Believer, disappointing, condemned, co-ownership, poorer, repeating, shareholders, management, bureaucratic, socialism, initiative, dignity, distinction, strings, gradually, tendency, managerial, acquiring, assumed, humble, stabilization, eliminate, discovered, heavy industries, incursions, neighboring, defense, oriented, alliances, absorb, drastically, pruned, indispensable, reclamation, erosion, literacy, agriculturists, unjustifiable, expensive, steadily, secretariat, scientific, frontiers, deployed, suppressing, riots, automatic, mortar, grenades, aircrafts, helicopters, evidence, detention, explored, avenues, stable, negotiate, Muslim League, constitutional, formed, Congress, communist, commanding, possibility, combination, attitude, likelihood, electorate, majority, proclamation, exercisable, careful, vital, chronic, disease, stressing, agricultural labor, esteemed, laborers, proclaiming, ceiling, economically, neighboring, rickshaw, manfully, concrete, democracy, electrification, gigantic, ocean, potentialities, sufficient, surveyed, intention, pilot, boldness, courage, stop. Please get ready for words from exercise 83 to 86. 5 seconds. Start. Endorse, furnished, governor, verdict, warranting, dissolved, closest, scrutiny, meticulous, constitutionally, constitutionality, exercised, presidency, contention, squarely, perverse, distorted, objective, foolproof, apprehending, blind, fold, described, conventions, imitate, comparable, resorted, politics, exploring, growers, bigger, coffee board, rehabilitate, separate, sold, distress, ghost, planters, communicable, estates, multifarious, immensely, perfectly, neglected, limitations, acreage, plantain, protected, distrust, plantation, east, easiest, deleted, whole time, planter, suggestion, complaining, moral, objectionable, producers, undertaken, emphasize, benefited, baneful, totalitarian, forget, economic, proposition, entertainers, instruction, entertainment, philanthropist, devoted, marvelous, deceiving, preaching, certainly, exercising, eminence, screen, censor board, alive, colleagues, salient, features, perspective, formulated, valuable, strategy, initial, commerce, artisan, drought, slumped, weaknesses, infrastructure, adverse, consequence, internationally, definitive, brook, attainment, ambitious, assiduous, sustain, momentum, critical, petroleum, forestry, food grains, pulses, vegetables, oil seeds, husbandry, modernizing, hectares, overcoming, remunerative, artisans, fisheries, marginal,